Power Plant Services, a quickly expanding company through new hires and customer satisfaction, has taken the parts manufacturing and repair division of the power generation industry by storm since its inception in 1998.
But we are back on track to growing at anywhere from 20 to 30% a year.
And with higher quality than anyone else in the industry. With a simple idea to make power generation parts better, faster, and with higher quality than anyone else in the industry.
And most of the customers were asking, we like the way you manufacture parts. Can you provide more services?
The idea is simple, but the journey has been a welcome challenge. PPS draws on more than 2 centuries of combined knowledge from manufacturing turbine components, including blades, valves, valve parts, diaphragms, fasteners, stems, bushings, and much more. This knowledge and experience encompasses the ability to manufacture over 40,000 parts.
We constantly get our customer feedback, and that's the way we approach, where we want to grow, how we want to do things.
PPS has earned a reputation as a valued partner in the power generation industry almost entirely through word of mouth. Every year, PPS evolves to produce more of what today's customers demand: expertise and experience in a one-stop shop, and quality parts and repairs at very competitive prices while building long-lasting relationships all around the world. Manny envisioned this foundation from the very beginning, and it's what the company still focuses on today. ISO 9001 certified, PPS standardly operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and as needed during an emergency from their Melrose Park and Oswego, Illinois, and Georgia facilities. PPS provides unparalleled service, quick turnaround, and personal attention to our customers.
This sets us apart from a lot of our competition.
Come see the PPS experience in action. Facility tours are provided year-round. Call or email to schedule a time to see how PPS can power your success.